Mr. C's Biology, we are talking about biodiversity, and biodiversity is about the variety of different species in an ecosystem or even on the whole Earth. And so if we have a high biodiversity, that means that there's lots of varieties, lots of different species of organisms, that's including plants and bacteria as well as animals, and that's a really good thing if there's a high biodiversity. If we lose an organism or an organism's population fluctuates when there's a high biodiversity, then the other organisms that equally are dependent on each other will often fill in those gaps. If there's only a few organisms, it's a low biodiversity, then the change of one organism is going to have a massive impact on the rest of the other organisms in that ecosystem. So how do we impact biodiversity and how do we make sure it stays high? Well, there are lots of things that impact it that we're going to be looking at over the next few weeks. And here's just a list of a few of them. So we'll go into more detail about each of these, but for now, biodiversity is really important. We need to keep it high, have lots of variety of lots of different species in the same place so that they can survive and thrive. That's all for now. Any questions, put them in the comments.